Okay, if you want to troubleshoot your tags and your scripts, all the analytics stuff we're going to set up, you want Google Tag Assistant. Google Tag Assistant is a Chrome-based extension. So you're going to have to use Chrome. I honestly don't know if they have for Firefox or other browsers, but in this example, we're using Chrome. Google Tag Assistant. It's called, they changed it, Tag Assistant by Google, same thing. They just rebrand everything, I tell you. Add to Chrome. Say, add extension. Up here in the bar, so it says Tag Assistant. Okay, so whatever that was, just ignore it. And here we go, we have Tag Assistant. The first thing you want to do is open it up for the first time, just hit done, and it's done. So now it's there whenever you need it. And we noticed that, in case you don't know, you see how this is still popping up? In the last video, I mentioned that Google Tag Manager is in debug mode. You can leave the preview mode, basically. Now when we go to our website, it's not in preview mode anymore. You're probably wondering who can see when it's in preview mode. Can all the people that visit my website during preview mode see it? See that horizontal bar? No. The way it works is it's tied to your browser. So when you put Google Tag Manager into preview mode, Google knows that what browser you're using, and it's going to only show that for you on your browser while you debug. So there we go. We have Google Tag Manager installed. We have Google Tag Assistant installed. We have this. We just click Enable. Now we reload the page. And we can check our tags, make sure they're working. If it wasn't working, there would be a red color. If it's green, good to go.